everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, we're talking about the Mseleku'S, mixed emotions over Busisiwe Mseleku'S and Thobile Makhumalo Mseleku'S landing a new television show on Mseleku'S. Film Pillar, the entertainment commentator, shared the following information. Casting news: Mseleku'S score another TV show. Musa Mseleku'S wives have scored another TV show with Busisiwe and Thobile as host. Ezomshado, the 10-episode show centered around helping the public with marriage issues, will air on Mseleku'S in early 2023. Judging from our comment, guys, it seems as if iningi labantu la ko social media selikhathele ilomndeni wakamselu. Ngingazi ke noma baphethe umona noma yini, but ke they are too much la ku TV. They must give us a break sibakhumbule nje. We found umndeni wakamselu guys kuthando nesithembu badlala ku One Magic, baphinde badlale kumzansi Magic ishow eyodwa. Siphinde sibathole kumnakwethu reunion on Mzansi Magic. Siphinde futhi sibathole igumbi lamakhosikazi on SABC1. Kuphinde kube i-Real Housewife of Durban on Showmax. Ezomshado ke manje njengoba sizodlala nje kumzansi wethu futhi abantu bakamseleku. Are they overdoing it, guys, or abantu they are just being negative? And again guys, lama show abo ngibona sengazuthi ayabukwa kakhulu. I-feedback etholwa ama production companies mahle kakhulu, and la guys kusetshenzwa indaba yemali. So if kukuthi ama viewers maningi, so we still gonna see them Mseleku'S on our screen, guys. Let's check ama comments abantu la ku social media ukuthi bathini. uJojo uthi ke, this family must be bringing Mzansi Magic some magical ratings from their main show because they are clearly a variable asset to the channel. Please get a hold of the family show's ratings for us, Film Pillar. And the omunye wathi ke, they are absolutely the last people I will take marriage advice from, judging by how theirs is going. Secondly, I'm not taking advice from people who make marriage their personality. I want to know them outside of their marriage as women. Then omunye wathi, are they done with their marriage issues? SATV is nonsense ke kodwa. Say country siboreka fast quick in a hurry. Then omunye wathi, I am tired of them, as if their own marriage is rose. Wow. Wasethi omunye, why do they like attention so much? Laba Yibo Sesikhathele ibona forcing themselves to us. Then omunye wathi, your favor about to give you some drama and peek into the real isithembu. Le family yakhathaza bo. Can we see something different on the screens? Phela laba can make you hate isithembu true. Okay guys, yeah, naga amakho opinions abantu la ku social media. Abanye bacanga ukuthi they must try other things ngaphandle kwezinto eziphathelene nemshado. They must think out of the box ngezinye nje izinto bangasinika kona zona njengomzansi ngoba sesibongile ngendaba yabo nesithembu nomshado. Well guys, I want to watch ishow yabo on SABC1, and truly speaking angichazekanga nje, kwangathi abekho prepared, bekhuluma bonke ngesikhathi esisodwa. It was not well conducted, I don't want to lie, but I'm hoping ukuthi ke they will do better kule abazoyenza manje with Mzansi wethu. We even notice a change ke kwi relationship kaMacele noThobile kule season entsha. Bayazwana, bayahleka, akuna drama nje, which I think ingenxa ukuthi ke basebenza bobabili manje. Beside everything that have been said, guys, I want to say congratulations to them. Akekho ke bakithi umuntu ongayeka ithuba ezoletha imali uma ngabe liziveza. That's all I have for today. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Usabathanda abantu bakamseleku TV noma nawe uthi cha abasinike i break kancane. Bye.